Are you looking for the best USB-C cables? In this video, we will look at some of the 7 best USB-C cables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anker Prime USB-C to USB-C cable. Perhaps you just want a cable that will charge all of your gadgets at the maximum possible speed and you don't care about data transfer. If so, the Anker Prime is the USB-C cable for you. The braided nylon exterior is tough and made from 100% recycled plastic. Anker promises this cable will last a century and it can operate in temperatures from -40 degrees to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. I love the ribbed cuffs because they make it easier to grip for plugging and unplugging. It is USB-IF certified and comes with a lifetime warranty. Number 2. Anker USB 4 Gen 2. If you're looking for a USB-C to USB-C cable that can handle fast charging and speedy data transfers, look no further than this Anker cable, USB 4 Gen 2. It is rated to carry 240 watts, meaning it can power the beefiest MacBook Pro and transmits data at up to 20 gigabits per second (Gbps). It's USB-IF certified, which means it has been tested to ensure it complies with standards set by the USB Implementers Forum. Anker describes it as bio-based because around 40% of the exterior is made from corn and sugarcane. The downside? It's only 3 feet long. Number 3. Cable Matters USB-C to USB-C. There is something to be said for the simplicity of getting the most capable USB-C cable you possibly can, and right now, an Intel-certified Thunderbolt 4 cable like this one will meet all your needs. It carries 100 watts, enough to charge a laptop, and it can transfer data at up to 40 gigabits per second. It's capable of serving an 8K display or 2 4K displays. It supports both DisplayPort Alt Mode, DP Alt Mode, and USB Power Delivery, USB PD, including PPS, which enables fast charging for certain Samsung devices, and it is backward compatible with all earlier standards. The 2 shorter length cables are passive, and the 6.6-foot cable is active. Active cables have an extra chip inside to help them push data further without degradation. I've been testing the 2 shorter cables and have yet to find anything they can't do. Number 4. Sharge Phantom Charging Cable. Most USB-C cables are dull and easy to lose in the tangle of your bag or, worse, your box of cables. This fun cable from Sharge looks like what Chewy might pass you if you asked for a power coupling. Impossible to lose, this yellow cable has molded plastic ends in what Sharge calls a cyberpunk style. Although they look suitably sci-fi, they are also quite big, which could be an issue if space is tight at the USB-C port you are using. When you plug something in to charge, both ends of the cable light up. It can charge phones, laptops, and maybe even droids, as it carries up to 240 watts, but it's quite slow for data transfer. It also comes in purple or gray. Number 5. Rolling Square InCharge X6 in 1 cable. You will never find yourself without a cable again if you slip this clever, compact, Swiss-designed multi-cable onto your key ring. It offers 6 charging combinations with USB-C and USB-A on one end of the short braided cable, and Lightning, micro-USB, and USB-C on the other. It can charge most devices at full speed and can be used for data transfer in a pinch. The USB-C connectors felt a little tight in some devices, and the unusual Lightning and micro-USB combination confused me at first, but it works. This improved version adds a cap to protect the connectors, but you must be careful not to misplace it. If you need a longer multi-cable, the InCharge XL, $29 to $40, is available in 1-, 6.6- and 10-foot lengths. Number 6. Satechi Thunderbolt 4 Pro Cable. This cable matches our top pick on most features, with 40 gigabits per second data transfer and support for displays up to 8K at 60 Hz, but it also includes extended power range support to charge power delivery devices at up to 240 watts. Some laptops top out at 100 watts anyway, so check before you buy. But for those that can handle the extra power, this cable will be the speediest option. It's also braided and tangle resistant. Number 7. Baseus USB-C cable with LED display. If you are curious about the charging rate of a device, This USB-C to USB-C cable from Baseus can tell you. It sports a tiny blue LED display that's built into one of the ends, and when you plug it in, the charging rate pops up in watts. When I measured it against my digital USB tester, it appeared accurate, though it rounds up to the nearest whole watt. It maxes out at 100 watts, so it can fast charge most gadgets but is not a good pick for data transfer. The braided nylon finish and metal ends feel durable,